Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Exness document verification problems, whether your documents keep getting rejected, stuck under review, or you can't get past the verification page. Don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step. So let's get into it. First, go to the Exness official website and log into your personal area with your email and password. Once you're inside, click the button that says Become a Real Trader. You'll be asked to verify your email and phone number. Choose whether you want the verification code by SMS or call. Enter the code and click Continue. Next. You'll enter your personal information, and this is very important. Make sure the name, date of birth, and address match exactly what appears on your government ID. If even one spelling or number doesn't match, Exness will reject your verification, so double-check everything. After this, you'll fill out your economic profile. This is just your trading background and financial experience. Answer honestly, it doesn't affect your ability to trade. It just helps Exness understand your profile. Now we get to the most important part, document submission. This is where most verification problems happen. For proof of identity, choose a valid ID such as passport, national ID, driver's license make, sure your document is not expired. Clear and readable, shows your full name and date of birth. Has no glare, blur, or shadows. Photo is visible. Take the picture in good lighting, not too bright, not too dark, and make sure the entire ID is in the frame. Do not crop or edit the image. Once your identity is uploaded, it's time to submit your proof of residence. This can be a bank statement, a utility bill, a rental agreement, a tax or municipality letter year. Proof of residence must show your full name. Show your full address. Be dated within the last 3 months. It's older than 3 months. Exness will reject it immediately. After uploading your proof of identity and proof of residence, click Submit. Now, Exness will review your documents. This usually takes 20 to 24 hours. If your verification is successful, you'll receive confirmation inside your personal area. If your document is rejected, don't panic. It just means something didn't match or wasn't clear. Simply go back to step 6 and upload clearer. Matching documents. Here's a quick tip to avoid rejection. If your address on your ID doesn't match your current address, that's fine. Just make sure your proof of residence clearly shows your current address. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix Exness verification problems and get your account verified successfully. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Exness and trading tutorials, and comment below if you want me to show how to fix withdrawals being rejected next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.